In this lesson, we're going to go over special right triangles, 45, 45, 90. This is what a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle looks like. And if you have one side, let's call it X, then you know the other side will be the same because it's an isosceles triangle. The 45 degree here and the 45 degree here means that these two sides will also be the same. Now the hypotenuse will be the leg times radical 2. So in this case it will be x, x, x rad 2. So just think of a beat. X, x, x rad 2. X, x, x rad 2. So if you know that the side is 5, then the other leg will also be 5. 5, 5, 5 rad 2. 7, 7, 7 rad 2. 2, 2, 2 rad 2. Now if you have something ugly, then it'll be ugly, ugly, ugly rad 2. So for example, if you had 7 rad 2, that's ugly. The other leg will also be ugly, 7 rad 2. The hypotenuse will be ugly rad 2. So 7 rad 2, rad 2. Now how do you simplify this? You have radical 2 times radical 2, and that becomes 2. And then you have 7 times 2, which is 14. Now what if they give you the hypotenuse and not the leg? If they give you the hypotenuse, then you're going to have to divide by radical 2. So it becomes x and x. So for example, if you had 6 rad 2 as your hypotenuse, you would divide by radical 2 to get to the leg, and that would just be a 6 and a 6. Divide by radical 2 again, and you have 2. What if you have a whole number without a radical 2? Well, you're still going to divide by radical 2, but dividing by radical 2 is the same thing as multiplying by radical 2 over 2. Now, I don't have time to go over rationalizing denominators, but just know that dividing by radical 2 is the same thing as multiplying by radical 2 and dividing by 2. So the easy way to do this is divide by 2, rad 2. Just remember that beat. Divide by 2, rad 2. So you take the hypotenuse, divide by 2, which is 7, rad 2. Divide by 2, rad 2. 7, rad 2. So if you had 10, divide by 2, rad 2. So it would be 5, rad 2. If you had 18, divide by 2, rad 2. So 9, rad 2. What if you can't divide by 2? What if it's an odd number, like 7? You can still divide by 2, rad 2. So you take 7, divide by 2, and you have a radical 2 on the numerator. So once again, you have 11 over 2, but you'll have a radical 2. Divide by 2, rad 2. And that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll go over 30, 60, 90s.